The Little Star's Journey. In a faraway galaxy, there was a tiny star named Twinkle, unlike the other stars, who shone brightly and stayed in their fixed places. Twinkle was restless. She wanted to explore the universe beyond her little corner of the sky. One night, as the Milky Way shimmered liquid with light, Twinkle muttered in the cyan, "I want to see the worlds beyond." She whispered to herself with a burst of courage. She broke free from her constellation and began her journey. The lonely planet. Twinkle drifted through space until she reached the Asmorati planet. Its surface was gray and barren, with no signs of life. As she hovered above it, she heard a faint sigh. "Who is there?" Twinkle called out. A weak voice replied, "I am the heart of this planet, but I am fading. Once I was full of warmth and life, but now I am cold and forgotten." Twinkle slightly dimmed with sadness. "Is there any way I can help?" the planet whispered. "If only I had a little light. Maybe I could dream about what it was like to be alive." Without hesitation, Twinkle shed a tiny spark of her own light and let it fall onto the planet's surface. Slowly, the ground began to glow just a little, but it was enough. Tiny plants sprouted, and a gentle warmth returned. "Thank you, little star," the planet said, its voice stronger now. "You will give me hope." Twinkle smiled. "I'll come back to visit you someday." The lost comet. Continuing her journey, Twinkle met a speeding comet named Blaze, who was racing in circles, looking frantic. "What is wrong?" Twinkle asked. "I've lost my way," Blaze cried. "I was supposed to light up the sky over distant worlds, but now I don't know where I am going." Twinkle thought for a moment. "Maybe I can help guide you." She glowed as brightly as she could, creating a trail of light. "Follow me." Together, they zoomed through the cosmos until they reached a dark planet where children were gathered, waiting for a shooting star to wish upon. "There," Twinkle said, "now is your chance." Blaze streaked across the sky in a brilliant flash, and the children cheered with joy. "Thank you, Twinkle," Blaze called as he disappeared into the distance. "You were the best guided comet could ask for." The black hole's shadow. As Twinkle ventured deeper into space, she encountered a swirling black hole. Its glow so strong that even light couldn't escape. Nearby, a small, trembling moon was being dragged toward it. "Help!" the moon cried. "I don't want to disappear." Twinkle knew she wasn't strong enough to pull the moon free, but she had an idea. She gathered all her courage and shone as brightly as she could, brighter than she ever had before. The black hole's darkness wavered just for a moment, and the moon managed to push itself away. You saved me," the moon gasped. Twinkle flickered weakly. "Having used up much of her light, it just did what I could," she said softly. They returned home, exhausted but happy. Twinkle finally turned back toward her own constellation. When she returned, the other stars guessed she was smaller now. Her light not as strong as before. But then something amazing happened. The planet she had helped sent back a beam of gratitude. Glowing faintly in the distance, the comet she had guided left a trail of stardust that shimmered around her, and the moon she had saved reflected her light back to her, making her shine even brighter than before. The elder star of the constellation smiled. "Twinkle, you may have given away some of your light, but look how much more you will gain in return." And so, Twinkle learned that the greatest adventures aren't about staying in one place, they are about sharing your light with others. And from that day on, whenever someone looked up at the night sky, they could see Twinkle shining not just as a star but as a reminder that kindness always finds its way back. 心